how to make sense of the data and numbers in your organization. There's now an explosion of data and statistics that businesses and nonprofits need to track, manage, analyze, and interpret. And in some cases, this needs to happen for the benefit of customers and clients. In other cases, this needs to happen for the benefit of people within your organization or your business. And when these cases come up, you can have one set of data and multiple ways and reasons for analysis. Now, to handle this, you'd need a flexible tool you could use for each instance without having to recreate the data over and over again. Fortunately, Microsoft has created a widely used tool as part of its Office 365 suite called Excel. Now, Microsoft Excel is a special kind of document. While it works like others in Office 365, where you can provide text for labeling and identifying, it also works for data entry. And when the data is entered, Microsoft holds not only the labels, but their values. This allows you to be able to display calculations and analysis that you determine are necessary. Generally, when there's a combination of data, which are numbers, and labels, Excel will also help you to create sensible documents and knowledge from them. And you can use these documents to create knowledge for yourself and others that you work with. Now, there is a learning curve for the various stages and uses for Microsoft Excel. Because when you enter your data correctly, you'll be in a better position to manipulate it. And when it's manipulated carefully, it can be analyzed and worked with. And you can reuse the same data to create other analyses to give you the information that you need. Now, having this kind of tool available means you can create data on demand to create good decisions. Now, if you'd like to find out more about how Excel works, check out the link you see on this screen.